Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Friday, which means I can spend time on myself and doing the things I like this video. Today we are going to do something really exciting, which you probably already know by the title of this video. New year, new style. You're gonna come shopping with me and then we're gonna do a haul on the things that I've bought. I achieved 95% of the things I put in my vision board last year, and this 5% was developing my fashion style. So it's the thing I'm going to do first this 2024. Fashion for me now, it's a form of self-expression. I say now because back then I felt like it was something it was not worth to spend the money on. Money that I could be spending on courses, learning, books, and all that stuff. Till I got to the point like I was not recognizing myself. It's not about buying expensive clothing. It's about choosing stuff that you feel comfortable with, that you feel like is aligned with your personality. So if I was not perceiving Haricut through my style, how would like everybody else would see me like? I mean, like, it's not about what other people think, but how can you bring value to others on YouTube, on your profession, on your family, on your friends? How you can bring value to others if you're not giving value to yourself, if you are not feeling worth of spending this money on. So last year it was something that I just like put it in my vision board without thinking about it, and at the end of the year I felt like this is something I haven't even looked at, so it's not going to happen this year. The thing is, I'm gonna grab the video I did on the becoming her, which I'm gonna link in here. I'm gonna go into Pinterest and choose clothing that I feel match that style. This is the outfit of the day, which you can't see. I just parked my car, so let's go. It's gonna be fun. Woohoo. I am back home. Before showing you anything, I'm gonna make my dinner because I'm starving. Alright you guys, I am super excited to show you what I got. It's not that much, but I feel like to start it's really good. Most of the money I spend on the clothing comes from a Christmas gift. I am also planning to buy more stuff online, so maybe in my next video I'm gonna show you more stuff. All the things I got, they are pretty cheap. I'm gonna show you the price. I can't afford much money on it, but I feel this is something is going to get me closer to my vision board. So let's start with the tops. I got this, which I feel like basic stuff in this kind of colors, brown, whites, and all that stuff. It's something that I'm going for this year. So I bought this one in 3 different colors. These are from Shein. This was a pack of 3 and they cost me 10 euros. Then I got this t-shirt from Lefties. It cost me 4.99 euros. It's an L because I wanted an oversized one and I think it's really cute. Then I got this. This is something I've been wanting for so long. I don't know how it's called, but it's like a fake neck to put underneath sweaters. And then I got this hoodie. It's really cute actually. It cost me like 13 euros at Lefties. I felt like the text like suited me really well. It says attract happiness, do what makes you happy, good energy. This is my mood right now, and the color is love it. This is not something I bought, but my mom gave it to me. She didn't want it anymore. Man, these are really comfy. I bought this. I feel these are mom jeans. This cost me 20 euros. These are really cute as well. I got this cargo, is it called cargo in English? I'm not sure. Cargo jeans. I love these ones. These cost me also 20 euros. They are from Stradivarius. They are super comfy, so I'm gonna use these ones a lot. And then I got these Nikes. They were on sale. Are you ready? The model, it's called Nike Court Royale to me. I love them. I've been wearing white shoes for ages. They cost me 55 euros. Good morning, guys. How are you doing? So I'm now going to the gym. As you can see, I am already wearing the new clothes. After the gym, I'm going to the hair salon because I have an appointment. I'm gonna do my second round of bleaching, and I think I'm gonna cut it a little bit more because like it has grown so much this past month. Woohoo! I'm done with the gym, guys. I'm gonna pick my mom's car. It's raining, but it's fine. It's good to know that I'm not going to be spending the whole afternoon at the hair salon for nothing. I have nothing to do outside. My hair is blonde. It's not blonde. It's super dirty. I'm sorry. But I just wash my hair once a week. That's why. But this is the situation. Alright you guys, we've arrived. I have 10% of battery, so I really hope it lasts at least to see part of the process. And yeah, let's go. So I am back from the hair salon. We decided to not do the second bleach. My hair is healthy now. It's looking at least healthy. If I do another second bleach, it would probably look really bad. So we decided to leave it at least for now. I'm gonna like give it some more time because I did that bleach like 2 months ago. So yeah, we decided that. But besides that, I stopped here at the supermarket because finally here in Spain, well actually Andorra, Prime arrived. Of course this is not sponsored, but yeah, I wanted to give it a try because I never liked this kind of drinks, like never ever. I don't like Monsters, I don't like Red Bulls, I don't like this kind of drinks like energy drinks and all that stuff. This is more of a recovery drink, I know, but so far I've been loving all Prime products. I've tried the blue one, the blue, white and red, and the pink one. I like them all. And now I'm gonna try this one. Lemon is my favorite, so. Oh my god, this is really good. I mean, like, this cannot be healthy. I know they sell that as healthy, but yeah, it has sugar, but it's really good. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie. This is probably my favorite one. I'm gonna go back home. I bought all the groceries for next week. Yeah, let's go back home. I'm gonna be editing this video. You guys, look at this. I love it. We cut it short. Alright you guys, so we made it till the end of this video. Comment hi down below so I know you made it till the end. Be sure to subscribe and like if you want to support me. And I see you next week. Bye!